Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by updating the switch and preparing a network that forces the console's captive portal browser to open. Turn on a smartphone hotspot or locate public Wi-Fi that requires sign-in. Once done, connect the switch to that network in System Settings Internet. Don't cancel if a sign-in screen appears. Make sure your phone can serve a basic login page or redirect, because the switch will only expose the hidden web view when it detects that portal. With the switch on the captive network, you'll see a sign-in prompt instead of the normal connected check. Tap that prompt and the console will load the web view used for sign-in. Once the portal loads, look for an address field or any link you can edit. Type Google.com and hit Enter. If the captive portal blocks navigation, use your Hotspot app to host a simple page that links to Google, then open that link in the same browser view. After you reach Google, make your searches. The session is temporary and tied to that portal, so expect to redo the hotspot when you reconnect to other networks. If the web view won't navigate to Google, recreate the hotspot's captive portal or use a different phone app that exposes a login page, then reconnect the switch. If problems persist, restart the console and remove the Wi-Fi profile, then connect again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.